Greetings, savvy shoppers. This is the Cash Flow Guy. Today, we're diving into the world of smart shopping, highlighting the importance of finding discounts and deals. Because who doesn't love saving money? Stay tuned as I share some of the best strategies for finding discounts and deals. First up, we have the art of timing. Knowing when to shop is a game changer. End of season, holiday, and clearance sales often offer significant discounts. These are the perfect times to snag the deals you've been eyeing. Remember, timing is everything. Never underestimate the power of coupons. They're not just paper cutouts, they're money in your pocket. From grocery store flyers to digital platforms, coupons are everywhere. Combine them with sales and voila, you've got maximum savings. Coupons are indeed a shopper's best friend. Next, let's explore the advantage of price comparison. By comparing prices across various stores, you're often able to bag the best deals. Turn to price comparison apps or websites for a convenient way to do this. Remember, a little comparison can go a long way. Lastly, don't forget about the benefit of loyalty programs. These programs are more than just a card in your wallet. They offer exclusive discounts, rewards, and even early access to sales. It's like the stores are paying you to shop. Loyalty indeed pays off. In conclusion, smart shopping isn't just about buying, it's about saving. Remember to time your purchases, use coupons, compare prices, and join loyalty programs. With these strategies, you're on your way to becoming a smart shopper. This is the Cash Flow Guy, signing off. Happy shopping!